What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, KayTheDon TV. I haven't made a video in forever. So I was supposed to do an install video of me putting this wig on for my birthday, but I never did. So this is my red wig that I wore for my birthday. I'll insert some pictures somewhere. But you know, it was really cute for, you know, the birthday like pop out. But now now I want to like tone the color down some because it's very bright. It doesn't look that bright on camera, but in person it gives really bright. So I was looking it up on YouTube to see different ways to tone the color down, and I think I figured out a way. So we're gonna try it and we're gonna see. If we mess this wig up, y'all, oh well, because I probably will never wear it again anyway. That's why I'm trying to dye it so I will wear it again. It's just too bright, like for every day. Like I want it to be more of a maroon, you know, deeper red than what it is. So what I'm gonna do is use some Adore hair dye. I have it in mocha, which is like a brown something. I don't know what the fuck. I don't want it to get all over my fucking hands, but I'm gonna show y'all the color if it'll show up on this little thing when I put it. It just looks black. Anyways, the point being, I wanted to be a little bit more maroon, so I knew that I needed to add dark. And we're gonna watercolor it. So I got some water boiling right now. I'm gonna wait for that water to boil, and then I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, start with the whole dipping process. I'm gonna start off first by prepping my lace because I don't want my lace to get watercolored. So I'm gonna spray this with some Got To Be, which is what you do normally when you watercolor, just to protect the lace. That's all. I guess I can show y'all that. But so yeah, I'm gonna just spray the lace with some Got To Be. Make sure you get all of it, even the edges. And with this wig is a 4x4. I don't even remember the details about this wig. Hopefully I have it saved somewhere. It'll probably be in, I mean, it will be in the description box if I saved it, but yeah. So I'm just gonna dry it real quick, so y'all gotta sit for that. Y'all, so my water is done boiling, and my fucking door won't close. Anyways, if y'all see my door right here, just ignore it because it won't stay closed. So I got my mocha, and I'm gonna try to lower y'all so y'all can see what's going on. So basically, I got my color right here. My water is freshly boiled. Well, not boiled, but hot. So I'm about to just put this shit in here. Start with majority at the bottom. Not all of it, because I've never done this before, so I'm a little scared. Alright, y'all, so I just finished washing it. I use shampoo and conditioner and wash until the water ran clear. And this is what the color is looking like. But like I said, the hair be a lot darker when it's wet. So I really don't even know if it took for real. And I won't know until it dries, but it looks darker. It's just the roots are still kind of the same color. Which, shit. But we're gonna see. So we're just gonna let this air dry. And then I'm gonna come back probably in the morning because I don't feel like blow drying it. Come back in the morning or like tomorrow sometime and show y'all what it look like fully dry. Now, so it's the next day and it's still a little bit damp, so it still looks darker in some spots than in other spots. I'm gonna show y'all the dry side so that y'all can see which side is the dry side. This side. But this is what it's looking like, and yeah, it's a big difference. It kind of looks a little ombre, but you can't really see it that well. It don't show up like that on person like you do on camera, but it's definitely darker. This is definitely exactly what the fuck I wanted. So don't look at my wig. I just woke up. So yeah, it definitely works. So this is what I use. I used the whole bottle. I did the watercolor method, dumped it in there for like, I don't know, like a minute maybe. I didn't really have it sitting for long because I was scared that it was just gonna turn the mocha, the brown color, and then it was just gonna be brown and then I was just gonna be pissed. So I left it in there literally for like, I wanna say 4 or 5 minutes. And then I rinsed it out. And then I washed and conditioned it. And here we go. And this is what it looks like. It's still wet on this side. That's why it looks a little bit darker. But this side is dry. And it worked. So I'm gonna come back when I install this. I'm probably not gonna install it until I go out next week. Because we got it's my friend's birthday. And she got a lot of shit planned. And I'm tired of wearing my black wig out. I've been wearing my black wig out now for like a month, and I've been like, bro, I want to wear this red wig, but it's just too bright. But now it's perfect. So I'm gonna come back when I install the wig so y'all can watch me install it, so y'all can see what it looked like, you know, actually styled and everything. But yeah, if you need that method, there you go. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna be back when I install it. So this is the finished look, the finished install, and like I said, I love the darker color. It was cute when I wore it when it was bright, but it's just something about that dark red that just makes my skin look amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and stuff later because I don't really have time for that. I literally have to leave to go to work in like 15 minutes. So I'm about to get dressed real quick and then go to work, and then I'll come back later when I'm doing my face. And I don't even think I'm gonna do a full face because like I'm going on a date, so like I don't want to do too much, you know. I don't want to do cake face and then he'd be like, oh, what does she look like after that, you know. I just kind of want to do something chill. So I don't know if I'm gonna do like real makeup, but yeah, this is the lace, how the lace is looking. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to work and then I'm gonna be back later tonight when I get off. I don't get off till like 8 o'clock, y'all, so pray for me. But yeah, so I'm gonna be back later when I get dressed and shit to go out. So I actually just got home. I forgot to record the video before I left, but like I said, all I did was put on some lashes and fill in my eyebrows a little bit. So my lace is looking a little rough because I've been out and I just got back, but y'all seen it when I first installed it and how natural it looked, so it's whatever. But as you can see, the color turned out so pretty. It's the perfect like 99J color. That's what it was originally supposed to be, but it was giving like clown. It was giving Ronald McDonald. It was giving too red. But yeah, so I'm gonna post the link to this hair. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Let me know what other videos you want to see, if you want to see more. But yeah, I'm finna take my ass the fuck to sleep because I got work in the morning and it's 2:30 right now. But yeah, so I'll see y'all in my next video.